Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be super helpful because I'm sharing 5 life-changing hacks that you need to try. Honestly, these are going to make your everyday life so much easier. Like seriously, who knew a simple spoon could be the key to perfect winged eyeliner? We're talking wrinkle-free clothes without even looking at an iron, banishing those annoying little makeup smudges, and rescuing your fave clothes from tragic oil stain disasters. You ready? Let's dive right in. Okay, so you're running late, about to head out the door, and BAM! You notice a huge wrinkle staring back at you from your favorite shirt. Don't panic. You can totally fix this without even looking at an iron. Seriously, who even has time for ironing? First things first, grab that wrinkled shirt and head to the bathroom. Don't worry, it's not as crazy as it sounds. Hang it up in there and then crank up the shower as hot as it goes. Now close the door and let the steam work its magic. It only takes about 10 to 15 minutes for the wrinkles to vanish. But what if you don't even have 15 minutes to spare? Don't worry, I got you. Grab your hairdryer instead. Yep, your hairdryer is like a mini steamer in disguise. Just pull the fabric taut and blast those wrinkles with some warm air. A couple of minutes is all it takes and voila, wrinkle-free and ready to go. Easy peasy, right? No more stressing over wrinkles ever. Let's be real. Is there anything more annoying than spending ages on your makeup only to have it smudge or fade away halfway through the day? Ugh, the worst. But guess what? I have a secret weapon to share, and it's probably already in your bathroom cabinet. Hairspray. I know, it sounds a bit crazy, but trust me on this one. Grab a small makeup brush. One you use for eyeshadow is perfect, and give it a quick spritz of hairspray. Don't go overboard, just a light spray will do. Now, gently pat the brush all over your face, focusing on the areas where your makeup tends to disappear first, like your T-zone. The hairspray acts like a magical setting spray, keeping everything in place all day long. Seriously, it's like weatherproofing your makeup. Just be super careful not to get any hairspray near your eyes. Ouch! Okay, let's talk winged eyeliner, the ultimate makeup goal, but also the bane of our existence, am I right? Getting that perfect flick can feel like rocket science sometimes. But what if I told you there's a super easy hack using something you definitely already have in your kitchen? Yep, you guessed it, a spoon. I know it sounds a bit mad, but trust me, this works wonders. Take a regular spoon and hold the curved edge against your eyelid, following the natural curve of your lash line. Use this as a guide to draw the first part of your eyeliner wing. See? Easy. Now, for the actual wing, use the straight edge of the spoon handle. Line it up with the corner of your eye and draw a straight line outwards. This creates the perfect angle for your wing. Then just connect the lines and fill in the gaps. With a little bit of practice, you'll be a winged eyeliner pro in no time. We've all been there. You're enjoying a delicious greasy meal and then BAM, oil splatters onto your favorite top. The worst, right? But before you panic, let me introduce you to your new best friend, baby powder. Yep, you heard me right. Baby powder is like a magic eraser for oil stains. As soon as you notice that dreaded stain, grab your baby powder and generously sprinkle it over the affected area. Make sure you cover the entire stain with a nice, even layer. Now, here's the important part. Let it sit. Give the baby powder at least 10 minutes to work its magic. It'll absorb all that greasy oil, making it so much easier to wash out later. No more saying goodbye to your fave clothes because of pesky oil stains. We've all fallen in love with a pair of shoes only to discover they're a tad too snug. But before you relegate them to the back of your closet, try this simple hack using something you definitely already have. Ice. Grab a couple of small plastic bags. The kind you use for sandwiches are perfect. Fill them with water, making sure to squeeze out any excess air before sealing them tightly. You don't want any leaks in your shoes. Now pop those water-filled bags into your shoes, making sure they reach the toe area where it feels the tightest. Then, stick the whole lot in the freezer and leave them overnight. As the water freezes, it expands, gently stretching your shoes from the inside out. By the next day, your shoes should fit much more comfortably. No more blisters or sore feet. There you have it. 5 life-changing hacks to solve everyday problems. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tips and tricks. And hey, why not share this video with your friends? Everyone deserves a life hack or two. See you in my next video. Bye.